All right, so the base I'm working on for Gambit here, I took an old, not an old, but I took this little LED light I found on Amazon and I gutted it and I pulled out the switch for it. So I cut a hole in the base right here to fit the switch in. The plug goes in here. This is the switch. I'm gonna airbrush over that to match the base, of course. And I cut a hole in the middle and mounted it in. I used just some resin and stuff to fix the wires down in place and do all that. Ran a test on it to make sure it worked, and we've got light. And I filled the hole in with resin, clear resin as well, so that worked. And anyhow, when you put the base down on top of it, fit that on there right. Anyways, you get the idea. Try to get it on there correctly. And do a little test run here. I got my other shop lights on. I need to turn those off, but anyhow, glows. Looks pretty good. I like it when it phases into the red and purple. That'll be perfect for Gambit's flames. Once these are all painted and everything, it'll look really cool coming through there. Anyways, that's how I did the lighting on the base for this one. I'm gonna go finish it all up. If you have any questions, of course, hit the like button and subscribe if you would like. And then I can, if you have any questions, yeah, just ask away in the comments section, and I'll see what I can do to provide a link for the light that I used on this too. Anyways, thanks for watching.